Hello students, today we are starting chapter 7 Major Industries. In this chapter we will study about importance of industry. We will study about different type of industries and the reasons where these industries are located. Products of certain activities including agriculture, forestry, fishing and mining are obtained directly from nature. We obtain product from our nature. These are termed as primary activity. The activity which involve the extraction of materials directly from the nature after the exploitation of the nature are known as the primary activities. For example, agriculture, forestry, fishing and mining. Unlike these activities, manufacturing essentially signifies the processing of primary products, so it is called secondary activity. First is the primary activity. Primary activity means the activity which involves the extraction of materials from the environment, from the nature. Second is the secondary activity, which involves the process of manufacturing, means processing, manufacturing of raw materials into finished or the final goods which are directly consumed by the consumer. In this chapter, we shall learn about manufacturing in more detail. Manufacturing can be defined as the activity of making things of utility by industrial processes. Though the process of manufacturing raw materials acquire utility and achieve more value, it means the items which we extract from the primary activity, some of these items are not directly consumed by the consumer. It is processed into another form. For example, iron ore, which we received after the mining from the primary activity, are not directly used by the consumer. We use different forms of iron, different materials which are made from the iron. For example, utensils, rods, machines, tools, etc. So, manufacturing is very important to add value to the materials, raw materials which we obtain from our nature. For instance, unless and until iron ore is transformed into steel by industrial process, it has no use. We cannot use iron directly which we obtain from the nature. We are using it in another form. Manufacturing ranges from making articles by hand or through simple processes and technologies to manufacturing articles with sophisticated tools and complex machines. Manufacturing includes all the activities which involve the transformation of the raw materials to the final good. It may be small process or to a complex machine.